there's really no point of gluing this down. Like, it's flat AF. Like you won't be able to see anything on either side. Like, look at that. Look at that pull up right there. All right, guys, so we are back at it today with another hair video. So shout out to Wiggins Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. So they did go ahead and send me their 13x4 HD lace wig, guys. So this one comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all the works put into this unit, guys. This is 24 inches long, and as you guys can tell, it is a body wave texture. So they did go ahead and put the fixings on this one. They did put the nice pre-curls on this, which I do like. So obviously I'm gonna go ahead and amplify this unit up. First and foremost, I love that it's already a middle part, so the middle part is nice and clean, guys. Like, look at that clean middle part right here. So all I'm gonna do is put a couple layers into this one on camera for you guys, show you guys how to do a really nice shake and go style unit. You guys know the middle part style is my favorite style with the curls. You kind of see what I'm going with today, if you feel me. So I'm gonna go ahead and slay this one up for you guys today. Like I said, it's the same day install. It's a Shaggy Go style unit. This unit is 24 inches long, 13x4 HD. Now the length, you guys know I like a long unit, but if you're not into 24, you can go ahead and cop this one in maybe like an 18 or 20 for more of a natural look. But we're gonna go ahead and bust this 24 wig down, honey. So I'm gonna go in with my Red by Kisses lace tinting spray, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inner surface of this wig. It says to hold it back far, but it really doesn't make that much a difference. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the inner part of the cap so it melts and matches my skin to the T. And if I did not mention, the unit does come with an adjustable strap, so this is gonna make the unit semi or kind of all the way glueless. But you know me, because I wanna wear this wig for like a few days, I'm gonna go ahead and use it even just to amplify it up. So yeah, a little spray don't hurt. Can we have a moment of silence for how secure this wig is and how laid to the gods? This hairline, honey, do y'all see that? Like, what? Like, look at that. They bleached this one. This HD lace is perfecto. Like, what? Wiggins? Oh, y'all done stepped y'all cookies up, honey, because this is definitely upgraded, baby. So, love it. I love how it's clean. Don't ask me to do baby hairs, because I'm not going to do baby hairs. Don't look for it. I ain't doing it, because this is way too clean to be doing on little swiggles. I want to keep fresh. So, I love, like I said, that it's in the middle part style. I'm going to bring the part back, because this is 13x4. You can bring it back a little bit more. So, I'm going to open that part up. Like I said, it's already pre-curled, so I'm going to go ahead and run my hands through these curls to start off. I feel like I got to run my hands through these curls to kind of show you guys that it comes curled. You might have to add like a little bit layer or something, but it's already, ooh, honey, and it's lush. It is like a, ooh, look at that lush unit. It's not no hard type of curls either. It's like soft. Oh, body wave. Let me tell you guys something. If you ever want hair that you're gonna curl like constantly, always get body wave texture. Straight texture is cool, whatever, but you're gonna have to manipulate that texture a little bit. But if you go ahead and purchase body wave hair, guys, it's always gonna give bounce, honey. Y'all see that bounce? So, like I said, I'm not gonna recurl the bottom of this. I'm just gonna cut the layers in the front, and then y'all gonna see how, just straight to the point, guys. Like, straight to the point. Like, we need more wigs like this from companies that already come done, like that you literally just install it. And honestly, guys, looking at this right here, I'm probably not gonna install, I'm not gonna spray the front area here, there's no point. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs and then spray the ear tab section by itself, or try to manipulate it so that it stays down without glue, because there's really no point of gluing this down. Like, it's flat AF. Like, what's this? So I can't find my hardware scissors, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the blade like the girlies do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut upwards and around my ear, because that's essentially, oh, I didn't realize that this is much easier to cut with this little blade. Makes it easy. Ooh, easy, easy, easy. And there's a good amount of hair that I have to pull off that ear tab section, but we needed that so that we can get this unit to lay flat right there. So, as a matter of fact, I don't even think I need to do what I said I was gonna do. I think we're good. This middle part right here, let's try it on this side as well too. I feel like it's easier to do it on that side, but we're gonna waver through. So go ahead and tilt it up and come around the ear. And this is easier because you won't cut yourself with these. I didn't realize how easy it was to use the blade. I've been using a big hardware scissors, honey. So, let's see. Okay. So that side fits flat too. And actually, guys, I don't even think I have to, I just want to spray that side just because I don't want the ear tabs flying up, but I might not even have to really do that. Like, nah, I don't think I am. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. So, let's see. What do you guys think? Oops, I just cut the lace in the damn one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off since I just popped the lace. Anyway, so I knocked a little bit of lace off right there. And then we're gonna cut it up here as well too. And try to get it as close. I see why the girls use this blade because it's really close. Like, look at, what? Like, do y'all see that? Look at that, guys. Do you guys see that? All right, let me cut it off the camera so I can get close. All right, y'all, so I cut all the lace off of the unit and this is how it lands, very flat. I'm not going to glue anything. Even the ear tab section stays down flat. I will run my hot comb on the edges of the hair on the lace just to kind of make sure it stays flat. But other than that, we're just going to rock it like this. There's no point whatsoever gluing this unit down or even spraying it down. Like, it's flat. So like I said, obviously this part will lift up a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is manipulate it with my hot comb like I usually do. I'll show you guys how to do that. And we're gonna go ahead and start styling the unit because that's pretty much it. Like, that's it. Like, there is no glue on this unit. That's it. So I separated as much hair as I needed to kind of give myself the layers in the front. I'm going to add layers at the top, but I'm going to do that once I kind of get everything settled and I just buff everything up with my curling iron. So I'm going to go in with this right here, which is our classic blade. I kind of try to get this the same on both sides, but sometimes I do what I do and sometimes I don't. So I start kind of like where my nose is at and work my way down. Work my way down. Should get about that much hair out of it. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Hold it down, kind of near my nose. Ooh. And then we're gonna blade downwards. Alright guys, I think this is pretty good for the layer in the front. Obviously when you curl, it's going to kind of go back a little bit more. So I don't want to make it too short. I'm just going to keep it at this length to start off with this unit. So I'm going to do now is put this hair to the side in a pile. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb. So I did tell you guys that I wanted to go ahead and open this middle part up. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it up with my little comb. And again, my middle parts never be perfecto. So I kind of just go with it and just do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the top with some Even Wonder Lace spray on the top so that I can get this to be really flat. Like, I want it to be flat, seamless, nice, whatever. So you wanna get that hot comb in there and flatten both sides down really well. Really well. So y'all see it, look at that. Nice and flat on both sides. And then for the front of it, I'm just gonna bring the hair upwards. We don't need it. We want the curls to give like a little bit of a zhuzh in the front, so we're gonna leave this part flat. Or as flat as possible, but it don't gotta be too flat so it doesn't look too much like a wig. We just want the front perimeter to look nice. And like I said to you guys, I got a little bit of that tinty spray on the hair. I'm just gonna manipulate the ear tabs with the hot comb just to kind of make the lace itself stay down, and it actually worked. And that's probably because the lace that they use on this unit is probably like one of those like good quality lace, like the Swiss, because if you put heat on top of the lace, it manipulates it to stay down. Like, look at that. I don't have to use any glue. I'm just manipulating the lace to stay in position when I'm wearing this unit. So look at that. I can move it and everything, guys, and look at nothing on the sides. So now that I got the top part flat, I think that's pretty flat. What y'all think? Let's give it flat or not. So like I said, my middle part is off. Don't come for me. I just can't seem to get the middle part down. But at the end of the day, the look just be given anyway, so it don't really matter. So kudos to me for that. So I'm just gonna get the top flattened out, and then we're gonna go ahead and amplify the front with curls so we can get like a nice finished clean look. If you have somewhere to go real quick, you need a glam style, this is a nice wig. Like if you want to go get this installed, which I wouldn't. I mean, like if you have like a wedding or something, this would be a nice wig for a wedding too. It's a great base wig that comes pre-done, so you just need to install it and put a style on it. So I like that factor a lot. Like I'm telling you guys, those types of wigs are the best wigs. The ones that these companies have been really coming through with these perfectly ready base wigs. Like these are no longer considered base wigs anymore. The wigs already come pre-plucked, HD'd out, like everything. So it just makes things much easier. So I'm just gonna do some light curls in the front area, and like I said, I'm gonna go and do layers kind of like on the top section just to kind of make sure everything is to my liking. We're gonna go ahead and curl these bangs first to make sure that the bangs aren't too long, and even if they are long, I'm gonna just trim them a little bit. I just wanted to kind of start off with a beginning length. So yeah, so like I said, this hair video again is a very simple hair video because there's really not that much we're doing in the video today. We literally just took it out the pack and finesse. Not even finesse. It wasn't even no big finesse. It was just install. No glue. Glueless install on a 13x4. You can't make this type of stuff up. Girl. Yeah. Ride that comb through it so that it stays nice and laid. And you can see that. Look at that. Nice little bang portion right there. Alright, and we're gonna curl this side. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, because some guys watch my channel too. Alright y'all, so that's basically it for today's hair video. Like I said, shout out to Wiggins Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Straight to the point, guys. You guys can see that this is like my classic everyday look. I absolutely love a curl set on a unit. And again, the unit is very glueless, guys. This unit can be lifted up and brought right back down. This is a 13x4 unit, guys. It already comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. So you don't have to do anything. This is HD lace, guys. So you guys can see, look at that scalpiana on this unit. Very, very gorgeous, like literally straight out the pack, guys. The only thing that I did in this video is show you guys how to layer it, and that's basically it. So you guys can see the body wave texture already comes pre-packaged in this curl form. All I did was run my hands through this hair, guys, and then add a little hairspray just to keep everything intact, so we kind of have like a unison type of curl. But guys, let's, like, come on, like, very effortless, guys, straight to the point. You guys know I love doing these same day talk through installs with you guys, especially for my girls out there that don't know how to install wigs. This is beginner friendly, straight to the point. And now these companies are creating these awesome 13x4 units that are glueless, so you literally pop them on and pop them off. Like, there's nothing to it at this point, guys. The unit looks very, very seamless, guys. You guys can see, even on both sides, if I lift it up, you won't be able to see anything on either side. Like, look at that. Look at that pull up right there. I mean, a little lift right there, but if you do a nice little pull up, you won't even be able to tell that this unit is not glued down. And then the hair falls in place. Come on, look at that, guys. Look at that, just lush. Like, the quality of the hair is also very, very pretty, guys. And look at that. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.